National Weather Service in the Twin Cities has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for eastern Sibley County, southeastern Carver County, Scott County, northern Lee Sueur County, northeastern Nicollet County, until 9:45 p.m. At 8:57 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located over Henderson, or 24 miles north of Mankato, moving northeast at 50 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and small hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Expect damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Bloomington, Shakopee, Savage, Chaska, Prior Lake, St. Peter, New Prague, Belle Plaine, Jordan, Lee Sueur, Carver, Montgomery, Le Center, Cologne, Henderson, Cleveland, Helena, Ottawa, Heidelberg, and St. Thomas. Seek shelter inside a well-built structure and stay away from windows. The storm is capable of producing damaging winds. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:45 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota: Carver, Lee Sueur, Nicollet, Scott, and Sibley.